Gotcha. Oh, nice. Little bass. No, little crappie. Little crappie. Come here. They're not that big at all. Hanging out here in the shallows. What are you up to? Yep. Got him. Oh, he's got some muscle. Yeah. Nice. Another really nice fat one, but little. Bluegill. Look at this. You just start at the head and go down. Gotcha. Nice. Get bigger. Get big. Two really awesome fish in both cases. The camera was not turned on. There he is. Got him. He's not big. Well, he's decent. We got another crappie. They do like this lure. Okay. There he is. Nice. Little guy. Little bluegill. Not horrible though. Yeah, he's nice. He got it in there. I don't know how he got that in his mouth, but he did it. Nice fish. Oh, he hit it on that drop. Oh yeah, I caught something on it. Nice. Nice crappie. Nice one. Come here, buddy. Come here. I gotta get better at this. Come here. Gotcha. Killer, but he was sitting over there under that little